guys! My name is Kylie and welcome back to my all-time classic channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how to make this traditional Chinese steamed cake. Well, these Chinese steamed cakes are also known as Huat Kueh. Huat Kueh means prosperity in Chinese dialect Hokkien. So these Huat Kuehs are typically made for Chinese festivals and also for prayers purposes. These steamed cakes are really easy to make and so delicious, super soft. The fragrance of the palm sugar and the coconut milk just complement each other really well. So, let's get started!
Well, in this recipe, I've used some fresh pandan leaves that I've planted in my garden. If you can't find any fresh pandan leaves, you can always use a pandan flavored extract to replace the fresh leaves. Now, to make these huat kuehs, all you need is just some flour, some water, baking powder, baking soda, corn oil, and the main ingredients here are the coconut milk and the palm sugar, also known as Gula Melaka, and of course, the pandan leaves. First of all, in a small pot, cook your palm sugar with water and the pandan leaves over low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once all the palm sugar are melted, sift the mixture into a glass bowl to make sure there are no other sediments in the liquid. Next, while the sugar mixture is still warm, stir in your coconut milk. Then, set it aside for them to be cool. Meanwhile, you can start preparing your dry ingredients. Simply mix in your baking powder, baking soda, and the sifted flour together in a clean bowl. And that's your dry ingredients. Then, once the sugar mixture is cooled to room temperature, add in your dry ingredients and stir until well combined. Well, if you find your batter a little thick and it's hard to stir, you can add in about half to 1 tablespoon of water into the batter. Lastly, don't forget to add in your corn oil into the batter and stir well. Here I'm using a 3-inch muffin tin. Fill the muffin tin with batter onto the top, around 80% full, and place them on a steamer. This recipe uses about 5 to 6 steamed cakes, depending on the size of your muffin tin. crucial step, steaming. Steam the huat kueh over high heat for about 18 to 20 minutes. And the key is, do not open the lid to check on them during the steaming process at all. Otherwise, your steamed cakes will not rise and split into beautiful sections. Ta-da! Beautifully risened, and look at that beautiful split sections. Hoda! Ha ha ha! Oh, the fragrance of the coconut milk and the palm sugar with the hint of pandan leaves is just perfect. They are really delicious, delicate, and look at how soft they are. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Hoda!